let's say we have a ball that is on top of an inclined plane, and then we have a bunch of dominoes here. Okay, let's pretend those are all even dominoes. So this is a mechanism. This is kind of like, it's not exactly a Rube Goldberg, but the idea behind a Rube Goldberg is that it's a machine that has several simple machines in it, okay? And as one machine works or does its job, it's going to set up the next machine to do its job. So if we look at this, the ball itself is not a simple machine, all right? But someone is going to have to input a force to do what to the ball?
Make it go down the incline.
So someone is going to have to take their hand here, that's an ugly hand, and they're going to have to push the ball, okay? Now, what is this simple machine called? Okay, what is that simple machine called? This is an inclined plane or a ramp. All right, now the ball is going to undergo rotation, but it's also going to go down the ramp. Okay? So in this case, the input here is a push on the ball. The mechanism is always the simple machine that's being used. So the mechanism here is what kind of simple machine? What kind of simple machine is that? We wrote it down. What is it? It's an inclined plane. And the output is what?
The ball that would hit the dominoes?
The ball is going to then hit the dominoes at the bottom of the actual ramp. Okay, so the ball will hit the dominoes. Now, another example would be here, if we've got something like this. We'll have a ball on a ramp. What did I just draw here? What is that? What kind of simple machine is this? It is a lever. Excellent, right? This is actually a class 1 lever. Now, if I say that there is let's draw a basketball hoop here. Okay, with the nets here. Okay. There's my basketball hoop, and let's pretend this is a basketball. If Molly Beth decides that she is going to jump on the other side of this seesaw, this lever, okay, so here's Molly Beth. We're going to draw her a nice orange color. There's your hair, Molly Beth. Ooh, that's awful. Oh, Molly Beth has a really long neck. This is awful. Oh, Miss Lupel. Oops, just...
You really undid yourself.
That's awful. I forgot a bit. Whoops. Let's undo all of this. Poor Molly Beth. Yeah, I try. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, let's just pretend it's anybody. Okay, we'll pretend Molly Beth, this can still be you, but you're wearing pants. There's Molly Beth's hair. Having a bad hair day. There you go. Now, Molly Beth is going to jump on this seesaw, and it's going to cause this seesaw to go down. So, the input here, okay, the input is what? Okay, what is the input here?
Molly Beth jumping on.
Okay, MB for Molly Beth jumping on the lever. Okay, now, when Molly Beth jumps on the lever, what will happen to the lever? Okay, what's going to happen here?
Since her mass is more than the ball,
Tell me what's going to happen. You don't have to explain why. I love it that you're trying to, though.
it's gonna go to like the other side.
I just
It's
released
like gonna go to the ground.
4 gigabytes by deleting videos.
Amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna let you play till tomorrow. I'll come bug you tomorrow and we'll see where you're at. I'm
Awesome
going home
sauce.
for the
I
day.
just recorded you. Awesome sauce. Okay, so what happens here? Molly Beth is going to push this lever, this side of the lever down.
So it's gonna be like
What's going to happen to the ball on the other side?
it's gonna catapult into
The ball is then going to shoot up, and as it comes down, we're hoping it goes through the hoop. Okay? Now, the mechanism here, is what simple machine? It is the lever.
I think I understand.
And what is the output? What is the result? The output is the result.
The ball like goes.
The ball will shoot up in the air.
Oh.
Okay, so ball shoots up. Shoots up. Does that make sense? Anytime you have input, you will have mechanism and output. So the input is always a force. Okay, it's a force that has to be either a ball is pushed or somebody jumps on something or somebody, grabs something or lifts something. Okay, it's some kind of force. You have to describe the force. The mechanism is always going to be the simple machine that we're dealing with. And then the output is always going to be the result of the whole system. So in this case, the result is that the ball gets launched up into the air. Okay? So the result of using the simple machine. Does that make sense? Awesome.